Everybody, welcome back to the Huffman house. It is mid-January-ish and we're just now getting ready to plant, or not plant, but seed start our onions. That's the first thing that gets done in the new year, is getting the onions in. So we got our
Hoss order
of our seeds, and right now we're gonna get the water boiling because we always sterilize the seed starter mix that we get, which is
Jiffy, yeah, just their big box store seed starter mix.
Yeah.
Could be Miracle Grow, whatever, you know.
Yeah, and we've shown this to you a million times, so we're not going to get into that. While we're waiting on the water to boil, I've got some video of the big snowstorm.
Oh my Lord!
That was supposed to hit us.
Blizzard 2025, right?
I don't even know. It was like a week ago? I guess over a week ago. We still have ice on our back deck because it doesn't get any sun and we haven't had any warm temperatures.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Today's been the warmest
in weeks.
In a long time.
Yeah.
And it's like only 50.
I don't even know if it's up to 50 yet.
Wow,
but
maybe.
Yeah, something like that. So, yeah. So, we'll show you our big snow that was supposed to be like 2 to 4 inches while we get this boiling up. So it's Friday, about 1:45 in the afternoon, and the snow is just starting here at our house. There's our boys up on the wood pile up underneath the porch, staying dry. Looks like all the others went in the coop. So it is now 4 p.m. and it's trying to start snowing just a little bit again, but for the most part, it stopped snowing a couple hours ago or hour ago and hasn't snowed anymore. Like I said, it's like 4 o'clock now. Mike went to get the eggs collected and check on feeders and waterers, but I don't know if you can see it, but got some flakes coming down again. We'll see what happens. 6 p.m. and the snow is coming down fairly good now. So it's Saturday morning, and as you can see, we didn't get near as much as what they were saying we were gonna get. There is some sleet also in there. What do you do when there's snow on the ground? You make beer. And wine. So now it's Tuesday. Mike had a delay start at work yesterday because any shady spots, as you can see, are still icy. And that's true for some back roads too. So we didn't get a lot of snow. It did freeze, and then we had the ice, we had some sleet. And then with the temperatures just not coming up, it's just kind of been still have icy spots everywhere. I did get the cords down here for Mike to get plugged in to the greenhouse so we can get our heat mat and heater going in there and get those onions planted. So the soil, seed starting soil, say that fast 5 times.
5 times fast.
Is ready, and he's gonna get these onions planted. We have you know what this is called? I mean, I know you know what it's called, but
Yeah, it's a garden planner from the Farmer's Almanac. It's a paid subscription.
Yeah, we can link it to you below. But it gives us our planting dates, our sow outside dates, and our harvest dates, that type of stuff. I think I went into it in more detail on one of my older videos, maybe from last year, seed starting. But we will link it below. But it's a great help on seeing when to plant stuff. So January we've got the onions, and then there's actually a couple of my flowers that we're gonna start getting ready. And then of course, going with the onions, you would have chives, leeks. Thank you. Goods was not functioning. So yeah, so January's just the beginning, and we are going to revamp our garden, above ground garden, and we'll probably go into a lot more detail here pretty soon on that, because we're going to be tearing these buds out and putting new buds in. So thank you for watching, and we're going to get these onions started for the year, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.